This is the first big snowstorm of 2019, so stay tuned. So we made it a long time this year until the first big snowstorm hit. We have temperatures around 0 degrees Celsius, so the snow is wet and heavy. We are expecting temperatures around -14 within a few hours, so we are in a hurry to get a lot of snow out of the way before it becomes rock solid. Most of the solar panels are at an angle, so the snow will come off, but some are on a flat surface, as you know. We don't expect any more snow the upcoming days, so I will leave the snow there. They don't start to produce until late March anyway. We are lucky that we got a big snowblower that works. Last winter it broke down and I had to repair it during a snowstorm. While the snowstorm was raging, my daughter had her 12th birthday and we had the closest family over for a birthday dinner. Just the days before the birthday, she fell in school on gymnastic and fractured her wrist. That is what I call a bad birthday present. I had made plans for starting some seeds this weekend, but the snowstorm came in the way. I hope that we can do it in the next episode and also build some growing lights as well. We are also getting closer to 5,000 subscribers and the giveaway. I got some ideas for a nice giveaway, so I have to start making that thing very soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to participate in the giveaway. In the last giveaway I gave away a homemade knife. We'll see what it will be this time. That's it for this episode. Have an awesome weekend and I'll talk to you in the comments and then I'll see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there. and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.